Now it's time for my favorite segment, Drift Into. Today, we tie up at Key West.
If you're going to Key West, you can't miss Mallory Square. Mallory Square has always been the hub of the Key West social and commercial life from the time of the city's beginning in the early 1820s. Fast forward a century and a half, and you'll find that Mallory Square is still the center of Key West, with shops, live entertainment, and the most spectacular sunsets to be found anywhere. We found Megan, a talented musician who has been performing on the square for several years.
I started here when I was 14 because I needed a job, and they don't hire kids at 14 because, child labor laws. So my aunt used to work down here selling like t-shirts and elephants and stuff, stuffed elephants, and she was like, well, if you're a musician, you can go down there. So I sit down here for about 2 hours a night and just kind of play what I feel. I don't have like a set list, and I don't get paid to be down here. I just work for tips.
Key West never disappoints. I think it's time for a vacation. There's more from Key West and other Drift Into destinations at Drift Sociably and at Drift Sociably on social media. So like, follow, share, subscribe, and Drift Sociably with us.